This is my project for today. I'm going to put these barnwood planks on this wall here. Cover up this ugly molding here, or that decal. And then this one's already missing. It just got a glue residue left behind. So I'm going to go ahead and do this wall too. Then I'll hang this back up there when I get done. There's 5 different lengths in this one box, because you kind of want to stagger the seams, because each piece of wood is a little bit different shades of frosting and a little bit different color wood. So it's going to be kind of hard to work back behind this dinette. Once I get up here, it'll be good. I'm not sure what I'm going to do here either. I might just have to slide some behind here, but we'll see when we get there. I think I've decided I'm going to try to take this back of the bench off, because I don't have anything. My driver's way too big to fit in there. I think it might be easier just to take this off. It looks like it's all just screwed on. And when this piece comes off, just took a screw out of each end. Ooh. I'm glad I took that off. Looks like there's been oh, that's foam. Some of it's a rat. There's a playing card and some kind of magnet. I thought all that was mouse droppings. I guess some of it is. Whenever I find an opening like that, I like to get it all cleaned out. Okay, I've got all the screws that I can see. Then there's one right there that goes into the slide, so I need to get it out. There, I think it'll come out of there now. Okay, should be able to move it along now. Okay, this is the one I've been waiting for to get that stripe covered up. Okay, not quite finished, but I'm anxious to get this picture hung back up here. There, that's gonna look good. I've got just maybe one more piece, and then I gotta taper some to make it fit the crown of the roof. Okay, there it is. The end results of my project for today. Got the booth all put back in. I didn't do this wall here. It may have been too much. I spent a lot of time trying to scrape all the glue off there from that old stripe. You can still see it a little bit, but it's not bad. I can live with it. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. Kind of matches the bedroom. Okay. Had to work inside today because it was raining out. It's kind of dried up now. But it's late in the day. I guess I'll call it a day and go home. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll talk to everybody later. Bye.